10 years younger eyes. Eat this before bed and wake up with sharper, stronger vision. You and millions of others spend billions every year on new glasses, supplements, and fancy treatments, while clinics and big companies keep getting richer. But what if the real way to protect and even repair your vision wasn't in a pill or a laser surgery, but something already sitting in your kitchen? You've probably been told that blurry nights, dry, itchy eyes, or foggy mornings are just part of getting older. That's not true. I care about this because losing your sight doesn't just mean needing stronger glasses. It steals your confidence, your freedom, and your independence. And today I'll show you real science-backed ways to fight back. In this video, we'll reveal 8 powerful foods ranked from least to most effective that can help your eyes start healing and naturally while you sleep. So stay with me till the end, because number 8 is something very few people even know about. Let's begin. Sweet potatoes. The first food on our list might look like a simple dinner side dish, but it's actually one of the best foods in the world for your eyes. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a compound your body turns into vitamin A, and that's exactly what your eyes use at night to stay strong and clear. Just one serving gives your body more than enough to fuel the delicate cells in your retina that help you see in dim light and reduce strain. When you eat them in the evening, these nutrients flow through your system and reach your eyes just in time for your body's natural repair cycle during sleep. For the best results, bake or steam your sweet potatoes, and don't peel the skin because that's where a lot of the nutrients live. Avoid the microwave. It strips away much of their natural goodness. And here's a small trick. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter. That healthy fat helps your body absorb beta-carotene much more efficiently. So, try one medium-sized sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed. It's warm, comforting, and while you rest, it's quietly helping your eyes rebuild and recharge overnight. Wild-caught salmon next on the list is something truly special. Wild-caught salmon. This isn't just another healthy fish. It's one of the most powerful foods you can eat for your eyes, especially if you want them to repair while you sleep. Wild salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids and a unique antioxidant called astaxanthin. Together, they work like food and protection for your vision. Your retina, the part that captures light and sends images to your brain, is made mostly of healthy fats. Over half of that fat is DHA, the exact omega-3 type found in salmon. When you sleep, your body uses DHA to rebuild those tiny, delicate photoreceptor cells that let you see clearly. So, by eating salmon in the evening, you're giving your eyes the materials they need to repair themselves naturally overnight. Astaxanthin, on the other hand, works like a shield, protecting your eyes from blue light stress caused by screens, phones, and street lights. Just make sure it's wild-caught, not farmed. Wild salmon contains far more omega-3 and antioxidants than farmed ones. To cook it right, bake the fillet at a low temperature, around 325 degrees, 160 degrees, for 12 to 15 minutes. Season lightly with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper for extra anti-inflammatory power, and pair it with quinoa or brown rice to keep your blood sugar stable. Through the night, having about 4 ounces of wild-caught salmon 2 hours before bed can be one of the simplest and most delicious ways to feed your eyes and keep them healthy. Goji berries. Our next food might be small, but it's a total game changer. Goji berries. These bright red berries are nature's secret weapon for clear vision, especially the sharp, central sight that helps you read, drive, and recognize faces. Goji berries are the richest natural source of zeaxanthin, one of the most powerful eye-protecting antioxidants. It protects your macula, the area of the eye responsible for fine detail, and acts like built-in sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light from phones, TVs, and LED bulbs. And here's something most people don't know. Your body absorbs zeaxanthin better at night. That means eating goji berries before bed gives your eyes a better chance to use those nutrients while they're in repair mode. To enjoy them right, soak about 1 ounce of dried goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes to soften them. You can mix them into plain Greek yogurt or even a warm glass of milk for a calming evening treat. Avoid eating them with tea or coffee since caffeine can block nutrient absorption. And here's a little bonus tip. Combine goji berries with a handful of raw almonds. The vitamin E in almonds works perfectly with zeaxanthin, strengthening and protecting your retina's delicate cells. Eat this combo about an hour before bed. It's light, tasty, and gives your eyes exactly what they need to stay strong and sharp as you age. Organic egg yolks. Now, let's talk about a food that's been unfairly judged for years. Egg yolks. Many people were told to skip the yolk because of cholesterol, but when it comes to eye health, that yellow center is pure gold. Egg yolks are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants your eyes depend on for protection and clarity. They gather in the macula, helping to reduce glare, filter blue light, and sharpen detail vision. And here's the thing. The darker and deeper the yolk's color, the more nutrients it holds. Pasture-raised organic eggs can have up to 10 times more lutein than regular eggs, so always go for the best quality you can find. Cooking method matters too. To preserve these nutrients, keep the heat low and avoid overcooking. Softly scrambling your eggs in a bit of butter or ghee is perfect. It keeps the yolk creamy and the nutrients intact. The cholesterol in yolks isn't your enemy. It actually helps transport these antioxidants and vitamins directly into your eye tissues. So, having 1 or 2 pasture-raised egg yolks in the evening, cooked, gently and enjoyed with a little healthy fat, is a simple and delicious way to give your eyes the nourishment they need to repair while you sleep. Bilberries now. Let's move on to a fruit that's been called the vision berry of Europe, bilberries. During World War II, British pilots reportedly ate them before night missions because they noticed improved night vision. And guess what? Science later confirmed it. Bilberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that strengthen the capillaries in your eyes and boost blood flow to the retina. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your eye cells, helping them repair faster while you sleep. These berries also help reduce eye fatigue, especially for people who spend long hours on phones or computers. If your eyes often feel dry, irritated, or strained, bilberries can bring real relief over time. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or as a natural powder mixed in warm water before bed. Avoid sugary jams or artificial juices. They destroy most of the nutrients. Just 1–2 cups of fresh bilberries a few times a week can make a noticeable difference in your vision clarity and comfort. Black currants. Let's talk about another dark-colored powerhouse, black currants. Don't underestimate their tiny size. These berries are loaded with vitamin C, gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, and anthocyanins, all of which support your eyes from the inside out. Black currants help protect against glaucoma, eye fatigue, and age-related vision loss by improving circulation and reducing oxidative stress. They're especially helpful if your eyes feel strained after reading or screen time. In one study, just 50 milligauss of black currant extract daily helped people recover faster from eye fatigue caused by blue light exposure. To use them naturally, you can blend 1 tablespoon of black currant powder into a glass of milk or warm water before bedtime. This simple ritual nourishes your eyes overnight and keeps them feeling fresh and strong by morning. Saffron now. This one might surprise you. A saffron, the golden spice that's usually used in luxury dishes, is also a super spice for your eyes. Saffron contains compounds called crocin and crocatin, which have been shown to improve retinal function and even reverse age-related macular damage in some studies. That means sharper, clearer vision, especially in low light. It works by boosting blood flow in the retina and reducing oxidative stress in eye tissues. In simple words, saffron helps your eyes breathe better, especially during the night repair cycle. To make a soothing bedtime drink, steep 3 to 4 saffron strands in warm milk for 10 minutes, then drink slowly before bed. It not only calms your nerves and helps you sleep better, but also gives your eyes a golden dose of healing nutrients while you rest. Raw cacao? Finally, the treat your eyes will love. Raw cacao. Yes, real dark chocolate, not the sugary kind, can actually protect and enhance your vision. Raw cacao is one of the richest sources of flavonoids, which increase blood flow to the retina and brain, sharpening both sight and focus. It's also full of magnesium, helping your eye muscles relax and your nervous system recover overnight. But remember, you need pure raw cacao, not candy bars or processed chocolate. Mix 1 teaspoon of cacao powder in warm milk or plant-based milk before bed for a soothing, eye-friendly night drink. The combination of antioxidants and minerals in cacao helps your eyes wake up fresh, focused, and recharged in the morning. So there you have it. 8 powerful foods that don't just protect your eyes. They rebuild them while you sleep. From sweet potatoes and wild salmon to goji berries, bilberries, and saffron. Each one of these natural foods gives your eyes the nutrients they need to heal, restore, and stay strong, no matter your age. If you start adding even 2 or 3 of these into your dinner routine, you'll be amazed how much brighter, clearer, and more comfortable your vision feels, naturally. And remember, your eyes are priceless. Don't wait until it's too late to take care of them. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Golden Life and for more natural health tips, because your body has the power to heal itself when you give it the right fuel.